My experiment is called the dancing raisins, and this is for the 4th grade science class. Carbon dioxide gas dissolves in soft drinks, which is called carbonation, and gives drinks their fizz. You can use the carbon dioxide fizz from a soft drink to make the raisins float up, and it will look like they are dancing. First, I will explain to my students how the carbonated beverages are prepared. They are prepared by putting the drink into a can or bottle under high pressure of carbon dioxide gas. And this high pressure causes the carbon dioxide gas to dissolve into the liquid. When you open a can of soda, here I'm going to open this can of soda, you can hear that fizz noise. And this is produced by the carbon dioxide gas that rushes out of the bottle. When you open the bottle, the sudden decrease in pressure allows the gas to form bubbles, as you can see. Now for this experiment, I'm going to use a bottle of seltzer water, but you can use any colorless soda like 7-Up or Sprite, a tall glass or a plastic cup, and several raisins. I'm going to pour my seltzer water into the glass. And notice the bubbles coming from the bottom. And now these bubbles are released from the liquid, which is seltzer water in our case, due to the decreased pressure by opening the bottle. And now I'm going to put some raisins into the jar. And see what's happening. The raisins are sinking underneath because the raisins were heavier than the soda, but immediately what happens is the carbon dioxide in the soda is attaching to the raisins rough surface, and it's giving the buoyancy to the raisins, and the raisins are starting to float, and it's looking like it's dancing. Now this will keep happening. Now when this raisins reaches the top, what happens is the bubbles pop and the carbon dioxide releases into the air, and the raisins lose their buoyancy and drop back to the base of the jar. This rising and sinking will continue until most of the carbon dioxide escapes and the soda goes flat. Eventually the raisins will soak up enough drink, like they are drinking, and becomes too heavy to float to the surface as well. Now I will ask my students if they could think of anything else that will float to the top in carbonated drinks. This will prompt my students' critical thinking.